Hi, my name is Brian Verbort, and I'm a solutions engineer with M2 Technologies. Thank you for taking a moment to view this quick tip. I'd like to take this opportunity to expose you to a little known capability that's available in the Autodesk Inventor and Autocad applications. First, I'll be walking you through a quick example of the capability. Then we'll briefly discuss why you might want to consider using this capability as part of your design and manufacturing workflows. So first, the capability. I'll start with the simple Inventor part model. As you know, many organizations leverage a 3D design tool like Inventor in their engineering and design process. Then the design information gets moved along to manufacturing. Frequently, the manufacturing team utilizes the manufacturing tools that are built into the Autodesk Inventor product, tools like the Inventor CAM for creating G-code, or Inventor Nest for laser, waterjet, or plasma cutter toolpath, and for the material optimization. But sometimes manufacturing uses a completely different set of software and tools to accomplish these tasks. At times this can introduce a bit of a disconnect. I'm hoping that what you see today might be able to help bridge this gap and improve your process and productivity. As you might know, Inventor has more than one 2D drawing creation template. One creates a drawing file with an IDW file extension. The other allows you to create a DWG drawing, which can be utilized as a common drawing type and can be shared by both Inventor and Autocad. Let's have a look at the interoperability this allows and the ways we might use this unique capability to our advantage. Upon opening the DWG file that is created by Inventor in Autocad, we see the expected drawing information as it was created by Inventor. However, there's also access to the Autocad model space environment. And upon a closer look, you can see that the DWG file also contains a list of all the drawing views that Inventor created. These are available in the form of Autocad blocks. These blocks can be inserted into model space in a selected location with a specified orientation and scale, just like any other Autocad block. Upon leaving the DWG file and using Inventor to commit a simple change to the 3D model, we find that any edits made in the source Inventor 3D model will of course update, and that'll be reflected in the associated drawing views. Once we return to the Autocad environment and open that same DWG file, we also see these updates automatically accomplished in the block that was inserted into the Autocad model space. That's pretty interesting, right? The inserted Autocad geometry is associated right back to the Inventor part model. So how does this help improve my current workflow, you might ask? Well, I can suggest a few ways this simple workflow might be leveraged and point out some of the benefits. One of which would be allow the manufacturing team and any other downstream processes to continue to work in a familiar Autocad environment if they'd like to. Adopting this process will also provide the ability to accomplish several manufacturing-only kind of tasks, such as the creation of manufacturing or process-specific reference dimensions, annotations, and additional working geometries that might be used to document process steps. In this environment, you can even do things like insert other existing Autocad blocks for items like tooling and fixtures, which will facilitate the manufacturing layout and planning process. I'm sure you can also come up with a few ways of applying this workflow to your specific environment that I haven't even considered. If you'd like to know more about this or any other Autodesk design and manufacturing product capabilities, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching and keep making.